Yo, welcome to Big Saj Build, yeah? My voice is gone, bro.
Jammin', I love you, bro. Listen, well, it's Gaffaroni time.
We got Jamie and Jamie. That's the Lambo. That's Porsche time. I'm here.
And we are back this time with Miru. We are here, Centerpot, at MSB's event, PullUp UK.
Pull up, we pulled up.
Told you to pull up, and you did what, Miru?
We pulled up.
You pulled up.
We pulled up.
Okay, the beast is looking clean, isn't it?
It's alright.
Any upgrades, Miru?
No
Everything the same?
Everything the same.
It's running well, alhamdulillah.
Consistent 8.6s though.
We're happy then. So who's that geezer?
Oh, Busse!
Yeah, it's Mr.
Yes, Mr. Saj. Are we out here today?
This is monster, yeah. This guy has 50 million Honda pots
Under my bed.
under his bed. He's building an all-wheel drive Integra.
I wish. After you're gonna sponsor me. If this video
Safe.
gets 1,000 likes, he's gonna buy me a prop shaft. YouTube money's long. Get me? I reckon I'll be out next 5 years time.
No, 5 years time.
Go Joey's.
With Joey's. Another one.
Let's get one rib. One
Between
rib
us all, a
man.
stack of ribs between us all.
Oh yeah, they're the main man.
Hello, mate.
Yes,
What's going on, Doc?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
A very, very long time. We've come back to
Doc is back.
Centerpot. We missed with Baba Yaga being here on the door slammer. But Cholo, we're here now. You get it?
Then you gotta line up. We're gonna line up again, monster.
Soldiers here, you get it?
Mr. Left and
Support
Mr.
my brother Miru. You get it? My nephew Miru,
Out
you get
here.
it? Come to support him and that.
Doc,
Come on.
will your head fit in the turbo?
Are you mad?
Is the turbo?
I am the
I hear
turbo.
him.
What's he saying? My boy,
Come on. Come on. 978. Fucking hell.
That's not turbo. That's not turbo.
Right, I'm ready. Go down the same way she did this morning, yeah?
Yeah.
It's the crew, I always blame the crew.
Monsters Inc.
Don't try it too much.
Dad, do you want to check it?
Nah, don't do it, man. You mad? So do you want to check it?
No, just on the safe side, on it.
Doc needs to check.
See you, boy.
Hey, sorry about that.
Much
Do one more on that one.
In it.
Boss.
Yeah, that's it. That's fine.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, yeah, I got my mapper today. Looking at few adjustments to my seats. I'll be in this bad boy in a minute. Get me, put my race suit on.
Your race slippers on.
You nearly ready? Yeah, nearly ready.
Fat you now.
Easy, isn't it?
It is fat you know. One hell of a motor you've built there, buddy.
Yeah, mate. Took me blood, sweat and tears went into this. Blood, sweat and tears.
Got little batteries. It's sick. That is mad.
Hello.
How is a man in a full race suit driving a Polo?
I'm in the fridge right now, not the Polo, alright.
Man, get out of here!
Jet car's going right now. Then the Pro mods are going.
Monster's gone in the jet car.
Oh shit, Monster's gone.
Yeah, that's his car. It's a bit hot here today. What? Yo.
What are we doing? We were there. I'm in the jet car.
That's the radio. We got Monster on it. Oh shit.
To 1,000 foot where it runs 4.9 at 256 miles an hour.
I feel like he's switching off at the 8.
Monster,
Why switch off at the 8?
no, he switched off at the quarter.
Come back.
That's fast.
PullUp 2026. Baba Yaga, nowhere to be seen.
What on earth?
We don't like to play like that in Europe.
So that brings the end of day one. So Mir did an 8-8. Not bad for a skeleton crew. We're active. So we see you all tomorrow. And we are back for day 2. But today we got the Silver Surfer. And what a pleasant surprise this is. Silver Surfer in all its glory, baby. Looking angrier than ever. More pissed off than ever. Ready to chase sometimes. Jammers is back.
I'm here.
He's silver, his car's silver.
And I'm a father of 3. Alhamdulillah.
Party.
Are we still late? So let's...
Yeah, go on,
Let's
let's
crack on.
shoot up.
Racing Dolly. Big Musa, first ever race against Jake Tipping.
Why? Where's your video? Oh, my drive video? It's not out.
Shh. It's a secret. I have to wait till OG releases his, then I can release mine.
I don't want to do races.
Today.
I know.
Give me a high five.
His friend is outside.
Give me a high five. High five. Ah, you keep missing. Little spark will change, and hopefully she runs good this time, man. Not happy with that 10-1. It's terrible. In the back of the wagon though, look at that. About 58 man deep, B58. You come from Bradford?
Yeah, BD.
You all hopped out the minivan?
Come on, you got one. Oh, leave my guy from Sheffield alone, alright?
Sheffield?
What's wrong with Sheffield? You don't get battered by the Sheffield mans now, watch. My boys are from Sheffield. No problem. Look at, I told you stop beard. I told him stop swearing on camera.
People.
I got kids watching.
That's him. He is the guy to watch out for.
Oi. What guy?
Yes, I.
Yo.
How you doing? Where were you for your first run?
My mum watches this footage, you know.
I was on the motorway.
How do you think my mum sees it? I did believe the bond ball. Yeah, but don't swear. Before I get you in a headlock, I'll throw you in the fucking engine.
In the turbo?
Yeah, I'm throwing in the exhaust, bro. So when Jamie does a Tuesday, it lands on Luke's head.
Say, where were you for your first run, mate?
I was on the motorway with
No,
the
you
bus.
weren't.
We was helping from overflank.
Yes, I. What's up, Cassie? What's up, Cassie? Hello, guys. I'm showing our trend now. Taxi drivers, yeah?
Saj
Yes, Bucket! Real power! Real power! Real power!
Come on, Chichi. 8, 7 and 8, 9. Well, good race. Good race. Monkey one. Well, it's got the Uber stickers on here. Down's on him, 9593. So just did a spark plug change, all 4 plugs have been changed. It was spluttering in third. Now we're gonna go back out, see what she can do.
Oi, you ready for... is it you and him now?
Jammin, I love you, bro. Listen, let's Gafferoni time.
Wait, what you done today?
I've brought a world record 3 times in a row.
Have you?
It's a brand new one for the brand new platform. It's only a 9.7.
Message from the driver, he goes, it's a hypercar killer.
Listen, this is a hyper super duper car.
Mate, he broke records today, yeah?
Has he?
But no one's ever done a run in one of these before.
Oh, fair enough.
So he's broke no one's record.
That's good. Jammy and Jammy. Jammy and Jammy.
That's the Lambo. That's Porsche time.
969. Fuck yeah, super fast. Go on, Miru, what you got? 9.7 as well. Okay, then.
Good show. I rate that.
Okay then. The old plugs didn't work for Jammy. So
Look on Big Saj! That was crazy, isn't it?
say that again.
He's crazy.
Who's crazy?
Him!
He's crazy.
No,
Yes, he
I'm not.
is.
He's crazy, yeah.
So well, the plugs didn't work. I mean, they were 2-year-old plugs. We had none with us. Put them in. Instead did a 9.7. It was Gucci. Gucci.
All I can say, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Yo, is that race fuel?
Yeah, my race fuel now.
Alrighty then, Jamie.
It went a bad day, but I think the spark plugs have let us down today. We didn't have no spark plugs. We did try something new today by mixing some fuel and that, by killing the plug straight away. So we need to do a bit more research. But I'm more in control, so we'll see what
We're getting there, bit by bit. 9.7 on old plugs. That's what we had to hand.
Our best time was 8.8 and 8.9 today.
Yeah, 8.9. Happy days.
Hadi, you sent the GT off on me. I dealt with him. See you later, guys.